So I'll just start at the top. I have an extra light right here. And this guy opens in this little caboodle. I've just got some random like sewing pins, needles, threads. This is like my something has a hole in it little kit. A spare basket for the pegboard because it felt too crowded to put it in the middle. And that's all that's up in here right now. Kind of loud when it closes. I put 2 baskets up over here. These, I have a project I'm working on with those. These are just my like quick reference books. Some other little yarns that I didn't want to put away. These need to be wound into cakes. My little knitting bowl or yarn bowl. It says, I'm a really slow knitter without magic. This set of Tunisian crochet hooks I didn't put away yet because I'm using them. Got my little sign. Some cones of yarn, and these cones actually do fit up here really well. Maybe not really well. You have to tilt them. Oh, I guess I didn't try and shut it earlier. Never mind. They fit up here if you leave it open, which you could do. Some little random tools. Over here on the side, it has a power strip, and the power strip has USB ports. I put another basket on the side, and these are these bags are like current projects that I'm working on. I try to keep everything in a bag so that it doesn't end up sprawled all over the place. So those are things that I'm working on. And this drawer, this is all sewing and embroidery stuff. I have something I'm working on, a little spare hoop, a bunch of threads. This has like thimbles and quilting rulers, and got some beeswax, needles, just random little hand sewing and embroidery notions in there. This one has my crochet hook sets, knitting needle set, another knitting needle set. These ones are very pretty. Some Tunisian crochet hooks. This is empty, but I'm sure I'll find something to put in there. Little noses and eyeballs, safety eyes and stuff. And then just like this has stitch markers, needles, you know, random notions in there. So that's what's in that drawer. This one is all filming stuff like tripod and clamps, and it doesn't feel like that much stuff, so I might have some stuff scattered that way still. I don't know. And then down here, can we see down here, or is it too dark? So this, I may find some other way to organize my crochet hooks. Random pair of tweezers, some needles, buttons, my frills crochet hook that fell victim to the puppy. And then all of the rest of my crochet hooks that aren't part. Hey, that's part of a set. That should go in with the set. So everything that's not part of a set that was purchased individually. Hey, that's part of a set too. and that, and that. Weird. You know what? Maybe all of this set. Yeah, those are all in here. Okay. I guess I lost the case for those. Let me grab those back. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So yeah, crochet hooks. I might need to find a different container for them so they don't have to go on the bottom here though. And then these are all these bins down here are all full of fabric. Pre-cuts and yardage and my local fabric store closed down recently because of like COVID, but they closed permanently. So I bought a bunch of cute stuff from them during the entire store is on sale thing. So due to lack of a better place, this is so pretty. Due to lack of a better place to store all this crap, it is under here for now. Oh, that latch didn't get latched. And I may look into getting another one of these, or maybe, I think one more of these taller bins, because I have a couple of larger pieces of fabric that wouldn't fit in one of these. Like these are jelly rolls, and these little scrapbook bins are great for pre-cuts and things like that, but they're not as great for larger cuts of fabric. So yeah, there she is. You can see I have lots of spare room to work on projects. Not